Let's DIY an Easter sign using one of these little arch signs from the Dollar Tree. I want to take this sign in a completely different direction using different textures and materials from Dollar Tree to make a really cute little Easter sign for my entryway. I am going to use some of this polka dot burlap that I found from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to trace out the size of the sign and simply cut this down. It might be a little easier if you iron this first. The way that the burlap at the Dollar Tree is folded can be a little bit challenging to cut. But what I want to do is decorate the back of the sign. It's kind of like a blank canvas back here, and I won't have to worry about all the stuff that's on the other side. So I just put down a layer of Mod Podge. I'm also going to Mod Podge on top. You don't have to Mod Podge on top, but it does certainly keep it nice and tight against the sign itself. But this was just the brown burlap with the white polka dots. They have lots of different variations of this with like spring colors and stuff as well, or you can always just do it with plain burlap. Once that starts to dry, I can trim up any of the fraying. The Mod Podge should seal that down and prevent any more fraying. Now for the Easter eggs, I want them to be in different kinds of this like faux seagrass material that these little Easter bags are made out of. So what I'm going to do is cut them down in different colors, the same size as the egg. I just use one of the wood eggs from the Dollar Tree as reference. I don't even sketch it on there. I just hold it on there and cut it out because the bag of course has the fabric on both sides to cut out pink, blue, and that like light ivory color. To attach it, I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue that down. It is a pretty durable material, and I think that hot glue will hold that a little bit better. And we're going to make just different colored Easter eggs with all of these fun textures that we can line up on this little Easter sign. I'm also going to be using a little sign that I got at the Dollar Tree. This was a yard stake, and I just popped the back off of it, and it gave me a great little bunny head that says welcome. Now that this is dry, we can start putting this together. I want Easter eggs on the bottom. I'm going to do 2 pink, 2 blue, and that natural color in the middle, and I could do the little bunny here at the top. For the grass, you could use some of that faux grass from the Dollar Tree, or I found some of the green mesh ribbon. I thought that might give me a look of grass. Another option is you can use the Dollar Tree reindeer moss for grass down here to hide your Easter eggs in. I'm going to do just a couple layers of the green mesh there and hot glue the eggs over it so it looks like little eggs down in grass, tilting them different directions but filling up the entire bottom of the sign. The little bunny is going to peek its head here with the little carrot. Super cute and easy. I love that there's no glitter on that sign. To cover the little hole that is on the top of it for hanging, I'm just going to take a little bit of twine and tie a little bow there for the top of his head. And then I'm just going to use a piece of Dollar Tree craft wood here on the back to make it stand up. If you wanted to, you could cover the back of your project too if you're worried about seeing it back there. But this was just a quick and easy Dollar Tree Easter welcome sign DIY. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.